In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer buyers a bundle discount on Depop. If you want more shoppers to add multiple items from your shop, a clear bundle message in each listing is one of the quickest wins. I'll walk you through where to put it and what to say, so buyers understand exactly how to claim the deal. Start by opening Depop and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to your profile. From there, open your selling hub. Inside the hub, go to drafts. We'll use a draft listing to make the change and keep things neat until you're ready to publish. Choose the draft you want to work on and click Edit Listing. In the editor, scroll to the description box. This is where you'll add your bundle information so every potential buyer sees it while they read about the item. Type a simple, easy to read line such as 10% off when you bundle 2+ items. Keep it short, consistent, and friendly. You can place this line at the top for maximum visibility or at the bottom under your sizing and condition notes. Just be consistent across all listings so shoppers learn to look for it. If you prefer different numbers, that's fine too, but pick a discount you can honor comfortably based on your margins. A couple of tips to make this work smoothly. Clarify that the discount applies to item prices and that shipping is calculated separately. If you have any exclusions, note them briefly. Consider using the same phrasing in each listing so buyers see a uniform message throughout your shop. You can also save this sentence in your notes to paste quickly as you edit other drafts. When buyers see the bundle line, they'll know they can add multiple items and reach out for a combined offer. You can then adjust the price to reflect the 10% discount on the total of those items before shipping. Clear communication in your description reduces back and forth and encourages larger carts. To recap, open Depop, go to your profile, enter your selling hub, open drafts, choose edit listing, and in the description, add 10% off when you bundle 2+ items. Repeat this on your other listings to keep your shop consistent and inviting. That's it. With one line in the description, you make your bundle deal visible, credible, and easy for buyers to act on.